Hello, we're going to learn how to create sketch with your image. Like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Duplicate the image. Select the layer and drag it to this plus icon below to duplicate. Command or Control J for shortcut. Press Ctrl I to invert the duplicated layer. Go to Blending Mode and Color Dodge. Create a hue and saturation layer on the top. Drag the saturation slider to -100. Select the duplicated image layer. Go to Filter and Blur, Gaussian Blur. You can adjust the radius amount according to your image. Now add Levels Adjustment layer. Adjust the right and middle slider according to your image. This looks perfect for me. Now your sketch is ready.